Hello everybody. I hope everyone is fine at home. Hope you are also enjoying your online classes. Today you are going to learn something about subject, predicate, object and complement. Besides this, I will try to inform you that how you are going to have your questions, and besides this you will get some answers as well. As it's very clear to you, it's very simple that a subject is a topic. That means a subject is a person or a thing. In a sentence, a subject, that means a person or a thing, performs action. That means it is talking about verb. For example, as a simple sentence, if you just hear, as I'm going to talk about it, he or she does online classes. So this sentence, he or she does online classes, that means he or she is subject. That means it's a subject, it's a place, or it is talking about a person or a thing. Now let's talk about predicate. As you know that predicate is the base. Okay, so predicate is verb with or without object or objects and complements as well. And after that we can get adjunct. For example, if I tell you, the students joined the online class, that means the student is subject here. Joined the online class, this sentence is talking about predicate. That means from joined the online class, we have got predicate here. And I'm going to talk about the full sentence now. The student joined the online class. That means the student is subject here. Joined the online class is predicate here. After having idea about subject and predicate, let's know about object. An object has a noun or a pronoun. Before or after the noun or a pronoun, an object has dependent words. For an example, everyone loves food. Everyone loves food mentions food as an object. There are two objects here, direct object and indirect object. Direct object shows who or what the action of the verb affects. For an example, if we say, do you play cricket? Here, cricket is an object and this is obviously direct object. Do you play cricket? Cricket is direct object. That means direct object is cricket here in this sentence. Do you play cricket? Let's know about indirect object. An indirect object shows a person or an animal who receives or affected by the directed object. In a sentence, indirect objects need a direct object, or even indirect object needs a direct object. In a sentence, an indirect object comes before direct object. For example, the students wrote for the class about coronavirus. The students wrote for the class about coronavirus. So, about coronavirus is direct object here. For the class is indirect object. And if we want to write in a different way, we can write the students wrote about coronavirus for the class. So we know for the class is indirect object and about coronavirus is direct object in this sentence. And finally, last but not the least, I'm going to talk about complement of a sentence. To complete the meaning, complement of a sentence is very important. Just after the subject and the predicate of a sentence, predicate made an expression. Yes, complement is an added information or expression made by predicate of a sentence. An easy way to understand complement of a sentence is like this. I'm going to talk about an example. All the students joined the online class. That means all the students, subject, joined, predicate. The online class is expressing, that means expressing complement of this sentence. Another example can be made like singing makes me happy or cheerful. That means singing makes me what? Singing makes me happy or cheerful. So cheerful or happy is complement here. It's easy to understand that subject complement informs about subject. Subject complement follows verbs. That means subject complement follows verbs and informs about subject. For an example, all the students are attentive. That means my students are very attentive. So I am emphasizing all the students are what? Attentive. So attentive is subject complement here. Like I have already mentioned that complement follows some information. That means follows verbs and gives us information. So after subject complement, we can understand that object complement informs more information. So in a sentence, we can get more information about the object, and this is called object complement. The students made the class energetic. That means I'm informing more information about the class, and this is emphasizing energetic word very carefully. The sentence is adding more information about the class. So I'm repeating the sentence again. The students made the class energetic, or if you want to write like, the students made the class very happy. So the students made what? The students made the class very happy or the class energetic. So the students made the class very happy. So the class very happy is object complement here. So everybody, I hope you got my point and you have understood very clearly about subject, predicate, object and complement of a sentence. So take your preparation for the exam and be very energetic. Okay? Take care everybody.